Eric here with Dream Factory Makerspace. I'm super excited to share this video with you guys today. We're going to do an unboxing of the brand new xTool UV printer. And looking at the side of the box, it looks like they're calling it the xTool 01 Omni printer. Just got this today. It is April 14th. So this may be the first unboxing video out there. I'm one of the 5 lucky beta testers that get to beta test the new xTool UV printer. I have not opened this box yet, so this will be the first time opening it. Let's take a look. Throw that to the side. Some more protective. Right here, looks like we have some of the smaller some replacement mats for the smaller bed. Looks like we have some mats for the larger bed. And here is the larger bed. It says, warning, do not remove until calibration is complete. I'm assuming we're going to print on that, do a calibration. All right, safety instructions. We got the quick start guide right here. We'll go over that shortly. Some more packing. xTool always does a really good job packing their equipment. All right. Let's see. I've actually, looks like I've got it turned around to you guys here. You can see a good look at that. We've got plenty of protective film on here, that's for sure. Looks like it made the shipping from all right to get here. I don't see any damage to it. Been super excited to start testing this. While I'm undoing this, unboxing this, just a quick note, if you guys would go on there and like, subscribe, and you might want to turn on notifications because I'm going to be putting this thing through the ringer and I'm going to be doing a ton of tests. And I'm going to be making videos for all those tests. So I'm going to do all the stuff that everybody's wanting on the Facebook group. I'm going to try to do as many tests as I possibly can and really put it through its paces. We'll clean up all this mess later on. Looks like that opens up, kind of hinges right there. That's kind of cool. More packing foam. More packing foam. Well, it sounds like this has something in it. All right. Looks like we've got a hose here for hooking up to the AP2, and a bunch of syringes. So I'm assuming in case we've got a pull link through there, just kind of like the apparel printer. Let me get the stickers off this back part. I see a port on here on the back where we can hook up the AP2. Okay. Looks like it's got a magnetic latch for this hinge door. You can't see that. I'll show you guys some more around it here in a little bit. I'm just trying to get it open for now. All right. This is packed in here nice and tight. Looks like we've got the smaller bed. Has some calibration squares on there. And what do we have here? It says UV. Looks like some kind of cartridge of some sort. And another one of some sort. Those maybe those are like the cleaning cartridge, because I do see these waste ink cartridges right here. So it looks like it uses a waste ink cartridge. You can see that. These other ones I've got here just say UV on it. It does. This one has a fluid in it. I can feel it. I'm assuming it is the cleaning fluid, perhaps. There's two of those, and I've got two waste inks. Now these waste ink cartridges right here appear to be empty. There's nothing in them right now. So, and I've got some more syringes. Lots of syringes. Okay, I also got a pair of, looks like possibly some UV safety glasses here in a little baggie. So I guess if you want to watch it while it's running. A microfiber cloth. And this looks like some sort of filter. So that looks like a filter. All right. Now, let's take this inside tray out of here. It looks like these are perhaps ink cartridges. I see a magenta. I see cayenne. I'm trying to figure out if these happen to say what size cartridge they are. I don't see that it says what size. And then I've got K. So I got CMYK. But I'm seeing a couple things here that I don't see with like the Eufy make. I see a UV, and there's the white. And I see the UV varnish right here with the V on it. And then I also see the UV ink FR right there. And an FY right there, cartridge. And then I'm also seeing a UV ink flexible white ink. And this one happens to be a lot larger cartridge. Probably twice the size of the other ones over there. And then I see a UV white rigid. So we've got a regular white, which is a smaller cartridge. We've got a UV flexible, and we've got a UV. So we have a lot more ink possibilities here. I'm assuming because we've got the two heads, that's why these are possible. Looks like a pair of latex gloves. One of the xTool screwdrivers you see in a lot of their stuff. Power cord. And it looks like you got a USB. And then we have some of these, if you have an apparel printer, you'll know these little head cleaning swabs. And then some lubricant. And something else. I'm not sure what that is. So, there we go. We've got everything in there out. Get those few pieces of tape off there. And it looks like we have the print head here is wrapped in a protective film. And it does say Omni on the top of the print head there, so That is apparently the name of it. And that's the first I'm hearing of it, right when you guys are here. So we got some notes on here to remove the screws. Don't see any packing. You can see the ink hoses right there. Looks like there's a side panel here that holds, I'm imagining, one of those cartridges on the side. Not sure which one yet. We'll have to look at the quick start guide. But yeah, I just want to hold this up again. Just look at this gamut of ink that this comes with. Wow, this comes with a lot of different inks. It looks like, okay, on this side it says UV, and then waste ink. So it's probably the cleaning cartridge and then the waste cartridge on this side. And then one thing you can really appreciate here that the xTool is really good about doing is they do these magnetic doors. So magnetic doors. I see some USB ports on the side there. I'm going to close this lid real quick because I suspect up top here is where all the cartridges are going, and that would seem to be correct. So some little sponges in here. Looks like that they go maybe between the cartridge and the thing. So this has a separate spot for all of these cartridges. So we've got UVFY, UVFR, UVF-white, UVR-white, UVC, UVM, UVY, UVK, so CMYK. You got your regular white, your varnish. Wow, this has a ton of spot for cartridges. All right, I'm going to just take I'm assuming maybe this side here that we opened up earlier is where this guy's going. This filter. It even says top on it. We'll have to look at that. I'm going to take the camera here, and you guys are going to have to excuse my mess here because, of course, we just threw everything everywhere. Flip this guy around. So let's look at, so you guys can kind of see what I'm seeing here. Look at that. That would appear to be where all of these cartridges go. Okay, and then just to kind of get a look in here. Wow, yeah. All right, so that's where all those, so this is very similar to the apparel printer. Got a magnetic top right here. And then this is what I was looking at on the side here that we saw. I've got way too much debris in here now. So close look up at those cartridges. Okay, and then this is what I was talking about here, if I can get the camera just right. So that looks like maybe fresh tanks right there. And there's the waste tank right there. So, and that kind of tracks with the size they are too. I like the fact that it has these separate white inks. So that means, unlike the Eufy Make printer, you're going to be able to not have to flush all that ink out every single time. You're going to get to just switch it to flexible ink. So that's super nice. Super nice. There's that port for the AP2. And then here's this, I think it's going to be for that air filter. Again, I'm going to have to go over the quick start guide. Let's take you around front here. Came with all these. These look like they go between the cartridge and the deal here. So there's your print head. Look at there. It says Omni right on the top. Looks like that's your ink stack there, potentially. Just like the apparel printer has, where you can dock that. It looks like you got the lights inside of here so we can see. I'm not going to start this up. This is going to be a whole nother video. This is just an unboxing video. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, reach out in the comments. I'm going to be putting this thing through the paces, so you might want to subscribe to my channel. You might want to like this video, and you might want to turn on notifications, because I have a ton of testing I'm going to do on this. I'm going to do a first print video. We're going to do everything. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time.